I want to tell you about my Corsair K100 and some experience I've got using it day to day, plus I want to clean it. So I want to tell you about my Corsair keyboard here. I use this every day, and I mean every day. Some things that I do not use often is this wheel, these buttons down here, because these are macro keys, and my media center. And of course I have the screen here, which I use quite a lot for like things. I did make a video of it, but I didn't like it, and so I never made day or light. So let's start on doing it and tell you the things I like about it. So of course I've got my iFixer kit. So if you wait, this is going to be. I wish I had a tool. Oh, there it is. Always take pictures before you clean it, because you would not know where the keys go. Oh, it's so manky. So, as I was saying, I use this keyboard every day. This is our soapy water based solution. So I use this keyboard every day. Honestly, I eat with this keyboard. Basically, if I ain't got eating, I would sit and watch YouTube, get inspired to make other videos, or gaming. This thing interacts with the PC, your PC, every day, and it sees everything. Great. No idea what things is on here. I eat this item and then I use things. So honestly, I haven't seen this for a year, and I will make a year video. I will make it. I don't think I'll make I'm not making this a yearly video, because I'll be insane. I do actually for hilarious, but it's one of these things that people should be doing with a mechanical keyboard. So it's a water-based solution, and basically what I'm trying to do is clean all the grit off it, all the grime. What else does it do? It does a lot of things. And it's just not me who uses it now. My wife's is finally getting into gaming. She's playing some games, so she uses this keyboard, and she tells me your keyboard is disgusting on a daily basis. So that's sad. She likes cleanliness and everything. I don't blame her. My keyboard's absolutely. Alright, I'm back in the cinema one. Can you hear that? Ooh, making a cool noise. Anyway, so that'll let us sit for a while, so let's clean this keyboard in the most noisy way possible. So, headphones, please turn down your volume for this. It's alright. dislike if you didn't like that noise. I love it. No, I can't be cruel to my audience. I'm sorry, audience. I can't be cruel to you. But boy, it was so much fun. So, I did this video before with my other keyboard, but then I upgraded to this keyboard. I regret nothing in buying this keyboard. This keyboard's been really good. It's been such a nice keyboard too. Wow, that's loud. So, oh, nice and clean for you. Which is good. I like cleanliness. So, of course, back to this statey keyboard. So, I think the best way to do this is, where did my pulse go? I don't know how to do this, so with a random leaf. Wow, that water is disgusting. So probably the best thing to do is this. These are just microfiber cloths, so they're good and handy. And then probably just some blow in here, so. And then what I'll do is one by one, pick them all, clean them all properly, and then we'll come back to the end result. What we all want to see is how clean it came out of. So that's going to take a while. You're not going to watch that. I might put it as time lapse actually, just to show you some of it, but actually I'll do this time lapse. So go time lapse. Okay, that's it all cleaned now. That took a lot longer than it should. I'll just tell you how long it took, because I've been doing recording. 46 minutes I've been doing this for, so that shows you how long you should be doing this for. So all the keys are on. Not sure if they're in the right order, but I'll find out soon enough when I connect it to my keyboard going, and then I start clicking, so I won't know that so until I do this. So as I've been saying, this keyboard has been great. There's a few things. I like it, and I'm going to be using it for now. I don't want to go until they get sorted out the, like, what company does it? I'm trying to see what company does it. Logitech. Is it Logitech? Cheaper one. Basically, they have a function where on the mouse they can do constantly recharging while you don't need to worry about it. So mine's a cable management. But I don't want to go down that road because I like to get onto a keyboard and a mouse. I'm kind of old school. Sorry, there's a key and it's the wrong way, and my OGC is like no. So and it's like I don't want to go down the of batteries. I'm the kind of person who likes all right. Oh, it goes that way. I have no idea. I like to go on a keyboard with about full size full with numpad and everything. I don't know. Who likes a full size with numpad and everything, because I do use a lot of numpads. I try and make my numpad a lot, and I want it constantly working. I don't want anything to do with batteries. I don't want anything to do with that. So this is just what and RGB. RGB is something that I do like now. So as I was saying, I do like the RGB, the backlight of the keyboard, because basically at night I don't need to have too much lighting, and I can see the keys because it's a lot easier seeing keys when there's light on this, because you can have a nice glow. You can have any color you want with RGB because it's RGB. So so do I regret buying this keyboard? And I think that's one of the questions that I need to address. No, absolutely not. This keyboard will be. There's nothing out there that I need, that I like, because it's got everything. It works with IQ, and I use IQ a lot. That's Corsair's proprietary software for controlling all the lighting, the fans. So that's something I do like to use. And so if there's another Corsair keyboard that I might go, I will go Corsair again, because I like to have one RGB software, but that's not here or here this video. So that's all cleaned up. Give it a wee blast. But this keyboard is expensive. This is why I only buy one keyboard, one lifetime. If it breaks, I'll go out in the market and start breaking. I'll go in the market and figure out what I require and see what's out there. But at the moment, this keyboard's good. I have no intention of changing this keyboard. There's a lot of people says, "Oh, you should buy this, you should buy that," but this is one of my popular videos at the time of filming, and I want to respect that. The people have been watching this video, and it was an unboxing. It was just my first look of it, setting it all up, and it hasn't faulted me one thing. I've had no issues. Only issues I have, these buttons on the side need to be programmed in, but every time I want to do it, I do other jobs, and it's like, oh, okay, don't have to do that. So it's in my list of jobs I have to do, and it'll take me 5 minutes. But honestly, this screen I use more often than I would think. It's the next a description where you'll find it, where you'll find that screen. So I'm glad you enjoyed this video, and please comment on what your favorite cleaning method of it is. And my Minky box water looks like it's got bits in it, so well, not surprising. So thanks for watching, and please comment below, subscribe, give a notification when my next video is up, because I have been too busy to do this, and I want to get back into this. So I've got a nice week off work, and I want to just hammer as much videos as I can. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.